As we speak today, they are still planning and plotting how to kill your president-elect. Yes. When you go to meetings with these people, don't see it as a brother and sister thing. These are crazy people. If they get you to kill your president today, they will do it. Oh, MPP winning. Baumia 50.2. Sma sapon kwasa some of the betche muni. Baumia winning 50.2. Na 50.2 na that form. Ana omuwie na sa Acheampong ni friend Paul Adom chire do. Paul Adom chire, omuwie na mkoma Paul Adom chire. Paul Adom chire. Ono kwa Paul Adom na Paul Adom so begina TV so kwasia ono so ba ye an ye GBT muntie Paul Adom chire.
Adankwa global he should tune in. Tell him, send it to him, DSTV channel 277. Producer, take this out of the social media, please. DSTV channel 277 and YouTube, Good Evening Ghana. Facebook, Good Evening Ghana official. Tell Musa Dankwa, Joyce Bauer, tell Musa Dankwa to tune in right now and listen to the way the PhDs do their statistics, not the thing, that thing. Okay, please go on. You're explaining to me about how you get it.
Oh, Nkwasia de omoye. Kwasia fo mpenifo, omo hwe nyina agogo. Kwasia jantire ni ba kwa yakwachi ne se o report about Germany. Paul aboa. Paul kwasia. Omo gina TV so no mo dada mo. Ade achini ato abade wie ya. Eye smart sapon se o na ne maame ewu, ne maame wu yentina. Kwasia we gina se ono aye PhD holder. Me catch him se mo PhD no. Ene kele wele paper aye pe. Majority of you mo ne na Ghana kwasia fo. Obi ti Holland ka cham some PhD na ekuta mo no nyansa ni ma kwasiafo na mbofu. Majority of PhD holders in Ghana, you are stupid. Majority of you cannot apply common sense. You so because a PhD automatically does not make him intelligent. You need to sit and analyze ahead in a thought process how his delivery is. Kwasiati says masapo you say a PhD holder to him nyansa. Paul kwasia kotina law school when to pass law school exams. Kwasiafo agentire for me no begina TV so we should come and look at PhD. Ye wie ya Kwasiafo and Paul Aboa wo gina TV so pa Musa Dankwa chew. Enti anka ye wuo bi na anka nipa be wu a anka Paul Adom che gentire ni be mate se wo anka Ghana fo wu odwan o se chew ne bukom wo Paul enti anka ye wuo bi na anka ye ko wu a anka do wana nta Kwasia te se opuroba abegina anka wakun Ghana fo adan a Kwasia bi so o ye PhD holder and Acheampong smart support TV so say ne maame ewu ntina we nya predictions right de make ka no ho into obetena wa no abeji almost $2 million for MPP for also okoye research resounding one and no na be mo elections wa je di kwase ho nanim fin no abegina TV so na Paul Jimmy we on pass exams bi on abrabo mu china ka say Joyce Bauer call Musa Dankwa the PhDs are doing kwase afo ye the PhD amekufo na chichidie kwase ampanyi we ya third class student, a economic student. Akufo drug addict Kwasia we Jimmy we anunsuo we oni nemu abedi president en Kwasiafo de maye e siafo de maye e Sankoma Kofi Bento Paul Adom chire Kwaku Bako Egbert Febo Kwame Sefa kan en Kwasiafo obi Omane Kobna Sante girl ya hu fi o Maryland ekua poki e Jimmy fo we mu nyina tena Ghana say yamfa chichidie we ma Ghana e bia bedu indwan ma Kwasiaba obetena Maryland. Kwasiaba ekua poki ot Maryland. Kwasia ko Ghana. So obenu nsupa. Wo be hu se sa ukunu oto ne pa owu te se otwen a obenya hospital adema ye wonko an ye beje wabo. Otwen ba. Wa wenim sembrim se dade sapo Kwasiaba obetena Maryland. O se ho yentu galam se wo ho. Na wo Kwasia na won Kwasia tribe tete TV so ni radio so Ghana ka che Ghana for say ye ne ati abroche kan Kwasia asem. Uti Maryland nwure mu wo kan Kwasia asem. When Nimsa Hokro Sapa, so Sapo, a buofunu. Most asantefo, yan kanyasem, and a motatam who a peace FM. Woofing also better America, you are nobody. And now with him, Unu Kundine, Moody basement, a mahai, a buofunu. Mabetna, and then I won't tune Kotana Ghana. Namajin Sabro Chenye, Namajin Sahaya Numun Supa, ye Jimmy. Majin Sahadia, yet to bonkum, and then I won't tune Ghana, or Giamba. Motati radio singing Kwasiadi. Jimmy. Mokin kankin yesi obituary stories so be ya ade o got radio so o de obetumi na motiti radio so ade every time ye na ye radio a che kwasia oti radio so che so journalism ekua poki o ye hu fin and obetena bro kire sra o so na pa na do na si akonwa so na de nku afa oturum o pese o ho ye fe odwan to we gine na betena ni panim Fees up ofi, kwasia 40 some na motete Ghana kekan kwasia sem. Mekai. Embra. You see, you the warrant to Kevin Taylor so na kwasia ba we akofra. Kwasia be ma te se den. Morris Ampong. I'm a better TV so. And lawyer, in your experience in the law, 20 years in law experience, you see a branch of friend Kevin Taylor, Interpol, Kofanamra, Nakwasiana, and point the Nisa Ponchini, baby. Oh, okay. That's how they did. What would him? Kevin Taylor, the Interpol in Baba. Only the Siano Sibia judge, any warrant at all. So the Yan say, the Ghana government, only US embassy for Nakasa, in Tom Kevin Taylor, and once I brought you, I'm handed over, and I'm going to ya chabe 3 days, they can tell you about, say, hey, when we dying my own. Oh, a queer pocky, Abidjan Cleto, at the end, then I would the sra, Poclain out the sra, over so Yako, Quasia, one my dear fair. What but not, I had in Supang air padia fair, and the Utim Kunada sra which. Onya fe o bana wo fin te se ahwaka ase ai ekua we de che efia we de se nya de nkura anye wo na waya law ache enti mu chechire mu nchire Kevin Taylor ye se je ba for say ye mfa Interpol ye de eya to ne so warrant o se ende no fia enu asem na ye kan no Kevin Taylor ne nipa bi asebio asem no abe out of jurisdiction enti sia no e wo say etumi ko America ne American government ne kasa enti me no kase de acha be 3 days ye de baba so enti wo hwe experience na e be den no metumi na so na say so American citizen cry and the Interpol there omunim say wabokro no ade de warrant ato so nko ade Ghana there so mutum man ba so any atiase mumunya mu ye jantra for ma mo ya aboatwe mo jimi aboa oba front say wabetena brochire o se mu ode meka so be kofi meka so ukunu meka so kotena wuranim wabetena ha betufo kwase aba ene dia wo se nkofo mbra school abrochire ukurom baby a ufri nipa guo se moa obetena ha ye asantefo ye MPP fo odwan oba ha baby wa han be bo jantra akotena hospital a o wo se odwan no na oba tibite wonchen na obi ante wonko a one room ukuru ni nenti se woma kwase aba ma no da mpa so hwew obo jantra beje paper tikrom ha mo bodam na mo titi radios na mo gin se Ghana na no ano no because kwase aba upia bontina them lady dear lady Jimmy. Hey, Moon. Ayila lao. Tamudi TV so my say Muama. Ye can't sama Ghana. Upe. Me kramedia no di kra e Ghana na nso mentumi fam fidi me kramai. Na what is sa a dime phone akwa na sini mo mu ehyeto kuro bi mu teta ho ka ho en na ye ne ye lady en na ye de Peace FM. Kwasiaba. So betra di pem. You did day. Na me gin some ba anka mo baba me DC assemblyman na me gin some ba bo me din. Na nka me be some mo ya mema ne ma anka mo ba krom a na ma je mic na ma bo me din. Ka bo say krom o captains wa ha. Oba be se bon kumu din. Anana nje won ya bim lady no. Me gin some ka be political show. Won anka me see edwuma bi ni wo betuma ya wa che panko photo. Edwuma be na we. Share and the Poclain also had a panel on Asia community so now they for asrim ade am pesa me ye fe na me kotena TV so Ghana fo mu se meti abrochire pete ekua poki pete unfin the electoral commission no they are not willing or they are not ready to work for the people. I believe say it's about time we Ghanaians patriotic citizens for some time now the electoral commission Jane Mensa boss Mamu take here for granted. Especially we, the Ghanaians who voted for the NDC government to come to power, and the patriotic Ghanaians who are not affiliated to any political party who decided to make sure this government loses power to give power to the NDC. It is looking like Jane Mensa, Bossman, they don't respect we. And right now, I believe say, the Electoral Commission, they need to come under pressure to deliver. I believe say, we need to have a march to the office of the Electoral Commission. We all need to get on the streets peacefully to let the Electoral Commission come out with final results of these elections. It is beginning to look like, say, a deliberate. It is beginning to look like, say, mandate near the moment, they want to abuse it. It is looking like they don't want to respect we, the citizens. Bossman Asare, Jane Mensa, and the rest of the guys at the Electoral Commission, they don't respect we, the people, the decision we took, the pains we went through. Because as I speak, so many people died during these elections, electing John Mahama. So, se nipa enkwa in 2020, nipa 8 ewuye. And in 2024, nipa sewu. Now ya to abewe getting to 2 weeks. Now Electoral Commission person say they don't want to give us the official presidential result. Then we all have to march to the Electoral Commission office because we need a closure. There should be closure to this. The Electoral Commission needs to put a closure on these elections. As we speak today, nobody has contested the presidential elections in all the 40,000 polling stations across the nation. So what is stopping Jane Mensa, any Bossman Asare, and the Akufo Electoral Commission from giving us the final presidential results? We don't care about parliamentary. The parliamentary can deal with itself. But as a nation, it looks like the disrespect from Jane Mensa is getting out of hand. It is now beginning to look like, say, it is beginning to look like, say, we as Ghanaians, we need to make sure, say, the Electoral Commission, they basically give us, Mr. S, it looks like the Electoral Commission led by Jane Mensa, people have died. We are mourning. We want a closure to these elections. All the constituencies, 275 constituencies in this country, Yatuaba, a president. Nobody has contested. John Dramani Mahama, uncontested results. No? Mahamudu Bawumia has not contested the presidential results. The NDC, the NPP, nobody has contested the presidential results. So why is it so difficult for the EC, led by Jane Mensa, to also deliver? Because we are just here. We don't know. They are not updating the percentages. They are not updating the final figure. As we sit in Ghana, almost a week. The results are Jane Mensa the final result. We want to know exactly what John Mahama got, and we want to know exactly what Bawumia got. But this is the situation whereby all the 276 constituencies are Jane Mensa recording. She's not even giving us the respect to even come out to tell us. Then it means that we, the people, have to walk to you. We need to make this a national walk, a national peace walk. We need to walk to the EC to demand for that. Because it is looking like our patriotism and also our humility and our respect for the rule of law and respect for the constitution and the democracy we are enjoying. Majority of Ghanaians have decided to sit back to at least allow you to do your job. But it's becoming like you people are purely disrespecting the people's intelligence. You are taking advantage of that democracy that we want to practice. So I believe, say, it's about time. And this goes to the grassroots that we need to put together a national march to the Electoral Commission's office. Nobody's going to fight anyone. Nobody's going to fight the police. We want the Electoral Commission in less than 24 hours come out with the presidential results. Why don't we have presidential results? The chaos we are seeing around the nation is because the Electoral Commission has refused to update, to tell us the final presidential results. Obviously, every election, we get people contesting the parliamentary results, which is fine. The parliamentary results are definitely different from the presidential results. So why is the EC almost a week not able to tell us to say, this is what Mahama got and this is what Bawumia got? So the EC wants to tell us to say, without the parliamentary result in their respective constituencies, that has not been declared, we cannot know the result of the presidential elections, Anna. There's something sketchy going on. The Electoral Commission, Jane Mensa, they don't respect us. It's about time we made them understand that we are a peaceful nation. We are not going to allow Jane Mensa sign attitude in Libya to plunge this country into chaos, because there are some people sitting on the line now. They want to take advantage of that to destroy this nation. They want to take advantage of Jane Mensa not bringing out the final result to destroy the democracy we are enjoying in this nation. And we, the people, are not going to allow Jane Mensa to do that. So we are going to peacefully walk to the EC's office in our thousands. We are going to walk in our millions. We are going to demand that the Jane Mensa administration, they should come out with the presidential result, the final presidential result, because we need it. It will actually put some level of peace in the system. Ghanaians today, we are living in some tensed atmosphere. We don't even know what is going on. People are taking advantage of the system and telling us, say, J-Men, some of our results by so they can misbehave. Today, people are burning schools because ballot boxes are in schools. We all know that all presidential ballot has been counted. We know every presidential ballot has been counted. So why is Mensa and the EC not giving us the final result? It is because Mahmoud Bawumia got less than 38%. But it is looking like all the diplomacy and all the niceness. We have been very nice. We have been very cool. It's about time we the people made Jane Mensa understand the Ghana Nyanedia. She does not own the country. She does not have the country as her property. We will have to show her that she needs to work for us. We are going to mobilize ourselves. We will mobilize ourselves. We will come out in our thousands. We are going to come to the Electoral Commission. The Jane Mensa administration needs to come out tomorrow morning with a final presidential result, election 2024, or else we will all not fit in Ghana. At this point, we all know John Mahama won the elections. We want the final results from the Electoral Commission. We want the final presidential results from the Electoral Commission. And that should be done in less than 24 hours. This is a message to the EC. In less than 24 hours, if the Electoral Commission does not give us the presidential result, we don't care about parliamentary. The parliamentary results will deal with itself. It will take care of itself. In fact, there are courts that are there waiting for parliamentary election conflict or issues to resolve those problems. At least we know that every presidential ballot has been counted. The EC has no excuse. The Jane Mensa EC, they have no excuse. They cannot plunge this country into chaos. It is a deliberate move. It is a deliberate move by Akufo and the MPP government to destroy the democracy of this nation. We will have to stop this plan by Akufo. Jane Mensa, Bosman Asari, we are giving them 24 hours. In less than 24 hours, we need to get the presidential results in Ghana, or else it will not be pretty. Or else it is not going to be pretty. And we want the NDC to release a statement to tell the Electoral Commission that we need the presidential results, the final presidential results. They need to update us. They need to give us the final number. We don't care about parliamentary. So this is a message to the NDC, to the chairman, to the general secretary, to the president-elect, to the vice president-elect. This is supposed to be done. So many people have died because of the negligence and stupidity of Bosman Asari and Jane Mensa. We cannot afford this to happen again. So this is a straightforward caution to the EC. In 24 hours, if we don't hear anything from the EC, we will gather the biggest force in Ghana to walk to the Electoral Commission. We will use every arsenal in our pocket, everything. We will use our platforms to gather the biggest human gathering to walk peacefully to the EC's office. We need it. It needs to be given to Ghanaians. It is our right to know who won the elections. We want the final figure. Jane Mensa, in less than 24 hours, Bossman, if we don't get this, it will not be pretty. Your respective homes, it will not be pretty. We don't want you people to push us anymore. We are done. We are tired. We say presidential elections in we are giving you people 24 hours. The presidential results on your website, we need to see it. Since you came out with the first result, ever seen there, you have not updated us again. You have not put anything on your website. You have not, because we all know somebody can abandon in a way. Presidential, what Ghana, you can't in a way. Meaning, baby, I can't presidential. I don't know anywhere. Say the presidential elections. So at this point, why don't we have the presidential final results? Why are you people always pushing this country to that point where our democracy, they best say, why? We are going to protect our democracy, and some people, if they have to fall, they will fall. This is a warning. We are demanding the final election, presidential election results. This is a demand from Ghanaians. We are demanding the result in less than 24 hours. We are demanding the presidential results of the 2024 elections in less than 24 hours. Or else, you will see the biggest gathering on the streets of Ghana straight to the Electoral Commission. This is the final warning. This is our rights, and we deserve to know. So whoever is watching us, we give the EC 24 hours. They need to update their website. They need to give us the final presidential results. We need it because we are the ones who paid for this election to be conducted. It is our property, and we deserve to know the result. 24 hours. 24 hours. In the next 24 hours, if Mensa decides to keep the final result, it will not be pretty for anybody at the Electoral Commission. It will not. All right. Now, this is some of the stories I want us to deal with now. Yeah, to me, Ampong today's show. Now, you see the story. The transition team, Makache NDC for say, you are not supposed to treat this NPP government with soft gloves. They are crazy people. They are deliberately destroying this democracy, and we are not supposed to allow them to destroy the democracy. Into the idea say, even the transition team, when they go for meetings, after meetings, right now, there's been meetings between the NDC incoming administration and the Akufo administration where the transition committee was put together, it was inaugurated. But what is happening, they say, even though in the meeting, they have come to a gentleman's agreement and say no recruitment should be done. No payments should be made, Akufo, the government, they are still recruiting criminals into our security agencies. They are recruiting criminals into institutions, people who are not qualified. They are blowing or bloating what we call the national purse. They want to create some kind of deficit. Into party foot soldiers are qualify to enter any institution. They are still employing. Abraham meeting. Mahama say you are not going to employ today. The committee, the transition team, they have released a statement and they sent this strong statement to the NPP. Almost say, Honorable Chief Justice. Sorry. This is the transition team. No, letter release here. There's a letter. I'm going to say, the transition team of the president-elect, John Dramani Mahama, Kosoa, MPP, for they don't want to show respect. They are still bent on doing their nonsense. And it has to stop. Now, this is what they are doing. John Mahama office actually letter be about or say, last-minute payment and recruitment by the outgoing administration. The transition team of the president-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has noted that despite an agreement reached at the second meeting of the Joint Transition Team held on Friday, 13 December 2024, that last-minute recruitment, payment and such other actions be cleared with Joint Transition Team, the NPP government continues to undertake these activities without recourse to the agreement. John Mahama, the office, and in the transition team, the letter about Bontin say, "Omane NPP for tracing transition team." Naka say, "Mamunya any more recruitment, mamunya any payment biya, baby I do munjina wa na yanya de wose and so almost the Omane say, "Nana the danko Akufo Addo abano, any munipa Omane omatena say ayan krata aka say, eni say you recruiting ni pebia, you fani pebia na ye twetwe sika kese bia ma obia no." They are doing it. Into they are sending a message say they are being very disingenuous. Nana the danko Akufo Addo transition team no, they are insane. They are stupid people. They don't care. They have broken the law. They want to even put more criminals into our security institutions. They want to pay some monies to some individuals who don't deserve it. Into John Mahama administration said they are sending a message. Now, second paragraph, I'm saying the transition team of the president-elect wishes to state emphatically that given the bad faith displayed by the government, all these payments, recruitment and transfers and promotions, some of which have been backdated, will be reversed and, where necessary, public officials responsible for them held to strict account when a formal transfer of power takes place. John Mahama say, or culture transition team they say, nipa mo for musisiana my agreement se me phobia no. Say nyame boa na 7 December eswe ni in o reverse ni nyina. Who officials so a wo sha ase a o backdate appointment. Say you fa nipa bi 2 years ago, you fa nipa bi 3 years ago no. Sa wo official a wo sha ase no. John Mahama say onya tumi a na ye be hwehwe nkratem a wo sa nipa na wo hye kire ye be jelu. Almost say they are telling Aya Obia Sebio Yafa the Juma around this time. Abaya found say resist and move away from that. Because John Mahama had the one in the Akufo. Do not, because much na say akasa. Much less say yen your promotions. Yen send it yen to Sika Mobia, yen sa and recruit it. Ain't John Mahama buying a catch now. Mo amudi anima mo ba date appointment letters. Mo amoma some fake promotions ewa abaimu. Mo tia sikebi anisa mutia no. Omo se omo ba do reverse it and mo commit sa crime no, you end up in jail. Now oko asiewa the final paragraph. Omo say John Mahama say, for the avoidance of doubt, all public officials are strongly cautioned to resist pressure from outgoing political actors to engage in these acts as they could attract severe consequences and when the new government takes office. John Mahama say, so you buy nipa, we a chief director, we a wine, we a manager. Now say politician be more pressure say for nipa be adwuma, for nipa dodo be adwuma, to yasike be a osi jai. And yes sir, omoba power ubeko jail. And this was signed by Felix Ofosukwachi, spokesperson, Mahama Transition Team. Do not see the MPP, this current administration, said they are good people, they are bad people. So we see utterances after losing the elections. So we see Nketiah kasa omo kan parliament. Uhu said they omu nu omo kwasia abetestila. They don't even know that they have hurt people. They don't even care. They see it as this is politics as usual. Omu Ghana for say yina ye Jimmy. So the NDC administration, the coming administration, they should not treat this NPP people with soft gloves. John Mahama should be hard on them. Those who have to serve jail time have to serve jail time. Those who have to be beaten have to be beaten. Those who have been corrected have to be corrected, because we cannot allow lawlessness. People breaking law and making it look like say Omane timuno emrani mainim, and then they can do whatever they like. Something drastic needs to be done to reset this nation. And if you're going to reset this nation, you are not supposed to be nice, because these fools are people who don't understand simple language. And people, for a majority of them, they don't care about Ghana. They see us say because the president himself, he does not respect the constitution of the republic. The chief justice, as we can see, people don't treat them as mere normal politicians. Treat them as enemies. They are dangerous. As we speak today, they are still planning and plotting how to kill your president-elect. Yes. When you go to meetings with these people, don't see it as a brother and sister thing. These are crazy people. If they get you to kill your president today, they will do it. They are bad people. You people should not treat them as people. And we can hear and we can see it from their actions and their utterances. They don't care, because they have stolen to the point where they think they are so powerful that opposition cry, they can use the money they have stolen to suppress the people. That is what, and that is how they feel now. So my advice to the transition team, now you know clearly that these people don't care. You know clearly that these people don't respect you. So don't show them any respect. Do not show them any respect. Let them understand this is not business as usual. Let them understand that this is a new government. This is a government that is coming to reset the nation. Government needs to be nullified. We need to reset this nation. We need to make sure the right thing is done. It is very, very important. It is very important. Because these people will do everything possible. They are bent on doing everything. Hey, let me tell you. Open Nipa or Ghana or under spiritual attack pa in Ghana today, John Mahama. Open Nipa or under spiritual attack. Every 24 hours, it's not easy for him to come out of 24 hours, John Mahama. And Akuma Pantina, he's still alive. Nana Danko Akufo Addo, they are still working everything to kill John Mahama. I'm telling you. John Mahama Nakuma Pantina, he's still alive. John Mahama Nakuma Pa, the good heart of Wontina or Céasë. Say Onyankopon Emma Hukwaya, they will kill John Mahama. I'm telling you, it is only the protection of God until John Mahama is still alive. The Akufo Addo team, they are crazy people. I'm telling you, people. Don't underestimate these people. They kill their own and laugh. They kill John Kuma, they kill JB Dango. They kill and laugh. They don't care. And they will go every length. The priority of Akufo Addo is to make sure John Mahama obekunu answer na 7 January. That is Akufo Addo's priority now. And Meka Obia or under spiritual attack pa in Ghana today. Every 24 hours be able to be survivor. Also John Mahama. He is going through a lot. It is not a joke. It is not a joke. You are not supposed to treat Akufo Addo and Nketiah as humans. We need to treat them like criminals. We need to treat them like animals. We are not supposed to create any room for them. These are dangerous people. They kill their own and laugh about it. They are dangerous. They are scavengers. These are dangerous animals. They don't believe in the Ghana we all want to build. They don't believe in the resetting of this nation. They don't care. They believe, they need to take power at all costs. That is why we are not supposed to relax. We are supposed to be vigilant. And the Election Commission say in the next 24 hours, say result of the elections. I am sending this message to the Interior Minister. You cannot handle this. I am sending this message to Henry Korte. The Electoral Commission, some will peace in this country. Some will say Bibia Kotoka. In the next 24 hours, the Interior Minister sit with Mensa and tell her to release the final results of the presidential elections. And I'm sending this message to you, Henry Korte, because you know what is right. I respect you and I expect you to do the right thing. You should sit with the EC and tell the EC that to make sure you can maintain the peace in this nation in 24 hours, we need the presidential final result on their website. They need to come out in a press conference to tell us Ghanaians, the John Mahama Nyaye and the Bawumia Nyaye, and yes, sir, in the next 24 hours, the EC will not see anything good. I'm telling you, people. And I'm sending this message to you, Henry Korte. It is your job to maintain the peace in the country. We are at least giving you the respect. You have 24 hours to sit down with Mensa to give us the presidential results. We don't care about parliamentary. There are courts that can deal with the parliamentary issues. We are concerned about the presidential, and we cannot wait anymore. In 24 hours, we need the results. And yes, sir, the EC office will be an enemy to the people. Now, there's something I want you to understand. Right now, where they be at the MPP Fuano, and they want to create something in your head. You see this? ECG inaugurates new prepaid intelligent master system in Kumasi. Me catch them say, Asantimini and Masantifo. MPP, they be a meka, me say Sebio, Oya Santini anya kwasia. You see ECG4 and the MPP. Do big Mahama Kron Fono, Sakwano. Me catch them before election say, meters are Baumi, Napo, Ekos Sabaye no, was said to big Mahama no, or Tony. Meters ne gu fie na every musika nyina napo deal and on it du big Mahama any haptel for and a committee boom and na omu boom and almost sorry almost Kumasi the meter bi aba ho almost friend prepaid intelligent master system meter e dey be any intelligent master system meter almost the meter bi aba Kumasi na sa meter na aba Kumasi no intelligent prepaid intelligent. Almost say, Oma inaugurate They be almost starting kwase se no starting Kumasi o ba catch rebo. Erade, me minimum cry me ya. Me say MPP for person almost starting kwase asemi o mumbu asantefo. En kwase asemi no omo free nkran aba inaugurate intelligent meter Kumasi. Buza say dentra. Because they know they don't respect asantefo. Omo say asantefo do no musa questions. Omo say MPP for do no mugo no. Sebio MPP hu asantefo ni bi so mo yankokọ into ofri nkran. Watra nkokọ, watra joso, watra eye tech, watra eye fumesa, watra eye okrofum, watra ho nyina de aba eye de Nketiah also be lunch bibi efe no. Eye intelligent prepaid intelligent meter. Now my main kind story in nchiro. Kwasiafo MPP for Jimmy fucking themREAKING. The innovation prepaid master meter is set to replace the existing postpaid and prepaid meters currently in use for residential and industrial purposes. Almost says smart meter no, intelligent meter no. Sir, recently, almost prepaid meter. Almost have a sano. Mr. P, there is an interview of Mahama either at City or Joy talking about these meters. Because you said Mahama or Akufo say you budukuno. Onom George say ofui that foolish guy. Oni haptel for no oma destroy ECG. Ka bia wo Ghana bia opebia Mahama obi. Sa kwa no mekire ne kafia. Mahama mekire ne kafia wo Ghana. Tell us not ho eno ye tu no. Kevin me say Mahama obeko jail. ECG operations about 32% ni nyina eyeka. Under Mahama. And or say some meters no the brem na nsia 300 me ma me fie. Do you know how much they buy in a week? 1,000 Ghana cedis lights. Yeah. A fear me ma me team. They buy light 1,000 Ghana cedis in less than a month. After 1.5 weeks, they have to buy 1,000 Ghana cedis credits. And these meters they are using are meters omuji end 6 months. These are the same meters as ECG the bromo. Are they chinya ECG say I or say the meter for fraba where they friend intelligent meter. Meter need to make toilet na copy part to we are not the toilet to das bi mu no abebo meter intelligent. Anajoya da no otumi si from no nkran ne dia agro we are no akotare da ho intelligent meter. Meter otumi bu nsuo 34 bucket no da kwesi dan chi no water flowers no asa betare da. Omo the intelligent meter ba Kumasi. Intelligent meter anajo otumi ko wurom koku den otwen na wayi ni yemu bini no da abeyan kwan onum wi a no asa akotare da ho intelligent meter. Enkwasi asaba nkofo we ti Ghana edi no intelligent meter. Now, okay, story now. Mr. Asumeni Wiafe, General Manager, Ashanti East Region of the ECG, speaking during the unveiling of the new meter at the Mensa district. Unveiling the new meter at the Mensa district office in Kumasi said the new smart meter was anticipated. Hey, I watch it. I watch it. Come on for the mom.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No answer my. I watch it.
Okay, we can go back into intelligent meter. Yes, almost starting on Mensa district. Hey, now when you maybe what you encounter. Your friend be intelligent meter MPP for the Kumasi. In Tasumeni, we have General Manager, Ashanti East Region of the ECG, speaking during the unveiling of the new meter at the Mensa district office in Kumasi, said the new smart meter was anticipated to address the issue of power losses and enhance revenue generation. He said electricity pilferage continued to pose a significant challenge to the company's smooth operation, and that the new prepaid meter was equipped with advanced features capable of detecting tampering, commonly known as illicit power connections. Almost say the meter for ba your friend intelligent smart meter. Now intelligent smart meter no be starting what Mensa district or 24 area ho. Now meter na your friend intelligent smart meter. A meter bia sebio modada na jono na esi form na kokejetia that according to store mu amantum store mu okeka credo ne sim smart meter moda na dwena ma ya deda no meter ne tumi si for no ahyehyet na okokeje tia na wa store bia ya nto credo mienu akesim kra so e bia pure water na wan chichire na wachichire in time of for na smart meter sa betare ho smart meter no edwuma bia odin ne se e bia sebio uye beifo na e bia bia akwa no anya nam oba smart meter tumi koku otwe na odi emu otwe ne yemade no ebini na ye nkwan esiwo na watena se atwen wode ne nsa wode abọ nkwan no de sini hwena no nti wo beifo no oba na se wuni nam a na wotwa enam ne bi no wato owia na wahyehye de wakotare da no smart meter no almost smart meter e betuma ye ma kumasefo ne se e bia wo de sebio abrochira nko bi da smart meter tumi sore nwumbre etumi fast etukọ akra ko ye ba passport na waje visa na de beto kan na de be kine da ho na wa betare ho smart meter we nyina ye be ye no menhia district smart meter de obi ani se nyoma bi otumi ye MPP for smart meter no nyoma bi etumi ye ne se e bia uye nipa bia ono apetishi pa na yakacho sa na dwo beda men nom kese nti wada no smart meter tumi e de insuo kakra befra apetishi no se na be ya ahomache se wo pe push up onum a enye strong na se woni so ebetetom kakra smart meter tumi esa nyonya no asa beda smart meter e meter bia sa meter no anadwoma da no e bia kitchen ho nkura ne nam ho a why wanyim de nkura otumi wura ho na apam nkura no ebia mo ya benkwan man kata so no akata so ebi so ebia mo ya jollof ena ebia beans kakra wom otumi ewrewre nchenchen se ne be ya eye de eye emua bi entumi te se ntafrem ba ho owrewre nchenchen no a no de eye de rubber kata so no akata chensi tire no so smart meter tumi tire fie moda no otumi nwan so hiesi wo anopa dum so ba mutumi de bi dware ahomache no abetare ho smart meter we nyina dwuma ye no eye no menhia district me see MPP omu asantefo se mojimi abotwe chechire mu kire omo waye wanyim da nkura mba
Yo, we are best fishermen. No, no, no answer my. Abotwe unkramba.
Yo, wanyim da nkura mba yo. Inti smart meter no smart meter is a thief. I open meter wiade chronometer it is a smart smart sapon. Smart meter is smart sapon. Smart sapon no post we dey say oh I didn't post number so na maame ewu. We Jimmy brutal. Akwa no post my people no. Ojo musika di we na say smart sapon. Post ya we amfa ho baby any where ye dwuma so true. Time na omo ya research ne ade no. Eduru baby no maame wu ye nti omo jai ko ye yie. Omo ba ye no eno mu say omo beto aso anything na shift the post so we aboa. Mr. S get me the story. Smart sapon ka kire MPP for say or to say smart meter smart sapon smart meter say na tie akromfo mienu sa smart sapon na okoye MPP for post no on smart meter say ewifo mienu smart sapon say ono wakoye post ma yeto aba ne wie no ato afa ho ma amfa bebia o say oh true time na oye post ne ade no mfimfi na ne ma me wuye into ojato ho koye yie into oba na dynamics na sesa and as na umami we na oba na obeto aso no e de na wunya 50.9 oh right ya go ball and before mo jimi o all right ma mention story be besides